In this video, you'll learn how to find public chargers using the Public Charging app. The Public Charging app is an in-vehicle app that's available through the EV's touchscreen. Use it to find nearby in-network charging stations, filter specifically for DC fast chargers, and see availability in real time. To use the Public Charging app, press the app launcher here on the vehicle's touchscreen, then press Public Charging. Search for stations and filter by type of charger, available chargers, in-network chargers, plug and charge compatible chargers, and more. Select a charger and tap charger stalls to see real-time availability along with the plug type. You can also charge at designated Tesla superchargers. Any in-network supercharger will be shown on screen, and it will indicate an adapter is needed. These fast-charging adapters make your EV compatible with the superchargers. Once you have chosen a public charger, press the arrow to see the chargers at that station. Once you get to the station, this is where you'll activate the charger. But first, you'll need directions. Press the up arrow here to return to the charger location. Tap this button and tap Go on the nav screen to begin navigating. When you arrive at the charging station, go to the Public Charging app, select the charger and activate it. Then you'll get a prompt to plug in your vehicle. After you've plugged in, the Public Charging app will show you the charging status, and you can stop charging from here. At Plug and Charge compatible chargers, you can activate a session by simply plugging in. Some chargers may require additional steps, so check the charger for instructions. No smartphone or credit cards are required at an in-network charger. Now you know how to quickly find public charging options on the go. For more information or assistance on public charging, give us a call at 1-800-34-FLEET.